Hi everyone, and this is my assigned topic and it's all about agrarian reform. Agrarian reform Agrarian reform is the rectification of the whole system of agriculture. It is normally done by the government where it redistributes the agricultural lands among the farmers in the country. Agrarian reforms comprises not only land reform but also the reform and development of complementary institutional frameworks, rural education, and social welfare institutions. Pre-Spanish period. This land is ours. God gave this land to us. Before the Spaniards came to the Philippines, Filipinos lived in villages or barangays ruled by chiefs or datos. The datos comprised the nobility. Then came the mahalikas or freemen, followed by the aliping mamamahay or serfs and aliping sanggigilid or slaves. However, despite the existence of different classes in the social structure, practically everyone had access to the fruits of soil. Money as a noun and rice serves as medium of exchange. Spanish period. United we stand, divided we fall. When the Spaniards came to the Philippines, the concept of encomienda or royal land grant was introduced. This system grants that encomenderos must defend has his encomienda from external attack, maintain peace and order within, and support the missionaries. In turn, the encomendero acquired the right to collect tribute from the Indians or native. The system, however, degenerated into abuse of power by encomenderos. The tribute zone became land rights to a few powerful landlords, and the natives who once cultivated the lands in freedom were transformed into a mere tenants. First Philippine Republic. The Yuki has finally broken. When the First Philippine Republic was established in 1899, General Emilio Aguinaldo declared in the Malolos Constitution his intention to confiscate large estates, especially the so-called friar lands. American period. Long live America. Philippine Bill of 1902 set the ceilings on the hectareage of private individuals and corporations may acquire. 16 has for private individuals and 1004 has for corporations. Land Registrations Act of 1902 provided for a comprehensive registrations of lands titles under the Torrens system. Public Land Act of 1903 introduced the homestead system in the Philippines. Tenancy Act of 1933, Act number 4054 and 4113 regulated relationships between landowners and tenants of rice, 50-50 sharings, and sugar cane lands. Commonwealth period. Government for Philippines. President Manuel L. Quezon espoused the social justice program to arrest the increasing social unrest in Central Luzon. 1935 Constitution. The promotion of social justice to ensure the well-being and economic security of all people should be concern of the state. Commonwealth Act number 178, an amendment of to rise Tenancy Act number 4045, November 13, 1936, provided for certain controls in the landlord-tenant relationships. National Rice and Corn Corporation. LPGR Quirino, 1948 to 1953, enacted the following law. Executive Executive Order number 335 issued on October 23, 1950, replaced the National Land Settlement Administration with Land Settlement Development Corporation, LASIDICO, which takes over the responsibility of the Agricultural Machinery Equipment Corporation and the Rice and Corn Production Administration. Ramon Magsaysay, 1953 to 1957, Republic Act number 1160 of 1954 abolished the LASIDICO and established the National Resettlement and Rehabilitation Administration or NARA to resettle descendants and landless farmers. It was particularly aimed at rebel returnees providing homelands and farmlands in Palawan and Mindanao. Republic Act number 1999 1199. Agricultural Tenants Act of 1954 governed the relationship between landowners and tenant farmers by organizing shared tenancy and leasehold system in the law. System. Republic Act number 1400 Land Reform Act of 1955 created the Land Tenure Administration or LTA, which was responsible for the acquisitions and distribution of large tenanted rice and corn lands over 200 hectares for individuals and 600 hectares for corporation. Republic Act number 821 Creation of Agriculture Credit Cooperative Financing Administration provided small farmers and short tenants loans with low interest rates of 6-8%. President Carlos P. Garcia, 1957 to 1961, continued the program of President Ramon Magsaysay. No new legislation passed. President Diosdado P. Macapagal, 1961 to 1965. Republic Act number 3844 of August 8, 1963. Agricultural and Land Reform Code. Abolish share tenancy, institutionalized leasehold, set retention limit at 75 hectares, invested rights of preemption and redemption for tenant farmers, provided for an administrative machinery for implementation. Thank you, ma'am.